Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing a Hamilton Beach Professional Juicer Mixer Grinder. The model number in particular happens to be 58770-IN. Now we're looking at the front side of the packaging and we can see what the products look like along with all the jars and accessories that it comes with. On the left hand side, they've highlighted certain features, namely that this offers superior performance, durability and safety. You've got a powerful commercial grade 2.2 horsepower motor that easily handles every food from turmeric to idli batter. Then you have advanced electronics, which gives you some level of intelligent speed control along with 13 programmable settings or other programmed settings. Then there's a safety interlock feature that stops the blades if the lid of the jar is removed. Then you've got certain chef-developed recipe books on the inside, or rather one recipe book. On the bottom, they'd like to highlight the warranty period. Then there are certain badges stating that it's been chef approved. Then there's one boasting that this was engineered in the USA and India. And lastly, Hamilton Beach has been operating for more than 100 years, so they want to highlight that as well. On the top right corner of the other side, you can see that they want to state that this was designed with Indian technology and culinary expertise. So all the different spices and material that we usually grind in our cuisine has been tested with this particular juicer mixer grinder. On the back side of the packaging has the exact same thing mentioned. So we'll take a look at the sides. So again, they have a little statement regarding the powerful motor that this thing comes with, that it is capable of powering through every single ingredient that you can throw at it. On the bottom, you have key features being highlighted. One, that it has universal blades, which performs well with every food item. So there's no need to change blades. Then you have a little note about the motor. The jars are square, which keeps the food circulating in the jar for excellent results. The last thing is about the advanced electronics and the different programmed modes that the device comes with. Now let's flip it around and take a look at the other side. So here you have the juicer mixer grinder along with all the jars kept separately, and they want to highlight some of the same features that we've seen previously. The first one being the advanced electronics part. So that has multiple speed control ranges, from slow speed for chopping to high speed for thick mixtures. Then you have an intelligent speed sensor that delivers precise RPMs regardless of the amount of ingredients that you've placed in. Then there are 13 programmed settings which provide consistent results for everything from fine pastes to idli batter. Then you have a half-liter stainless steel jar, and there's the interlock feature which is right next to the handle. Then they want to state something about the lids, which happen to be leak-proof, shatterproof, Titan lids, and they're also quite visible. Then there's a note about the blades, which are universal, so you don't need to change the blades. There's another 1.5 or 1 liter stainless steel jar. And lastly, they've given some of the accessories. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. There's a little cookbook included. This is by Chef Kunal Kapoor. Then there's the instruction manual. Always read through the instruction manual to understand exactly how to operate the device. Then there's a little note for the customer, thanking the customer as well as asking them to submit a review. Then you have a lid. Then you have the half-liter jar. Then you have another lid. Then there's the power cord. And with that, the top comes off. Inside the thermocol top covering, you have one of the accessories. So this is a plunger. Then you have either the 1 liter or the 1.5 liter jar. So the capacity is always written on the jar. You can see 1 liter mentioned over here. There's another lid. Then there's an accessory spatula or blade. And lastly, you have the 1.5 liter jar. Again, the capacity is always written, so you'll have it mentioned over here, 1.5 liters. The last thing is the juicer mixer grinder base unit. So now we placed everything that we found inside the packaging except for the user manual and the chef's cookbook. So you have the half-liter jar, followed by the 1-liter jar, the 1.5-liter jar, and the base unit. And right in front of each jar is the appropriate lid that you would use with it. Then over there you have the accessories. One is a little spatula or blade, and to the left of that is the plunger. Each jar is made of stainless steel, as you can see. It has a plastic body on the outside. Then there's an interlocking lid feature. This, if engaged, will only let the motor power on. If it is disengaged, then your motor will switch off in less than 2 seconds. Then the blades on the inside are universal, as they state. You don't need to change them out. It should work with every single ingredient that you throw at it. And on the bottom, you can see that the gears that engaged with the motor are made out of metal. And the same goes for the base unit as well. The element that mates with the gear at the bottom of each jar is also made out of metal in the center with a plastic outer ring. And the front side has your digital panel. You have the button for pulsing, starting and stopping. You have a little dial to change the intensity of the motor RPM. And there's a handy little display on the front to give you an idea of the different programmed modes that are available and whether you are selecting one of them for the appropriate material. It also comes with a little motor temperature indicator on the right hand side. So if there are any cases where the temperature of the motor is going too high or it's about to overheat and shut down, it will give you ample amount of warning in advance. And on this side, you have a little button to power it on or off. It comes with a sturdy power connector, which is rated for 250 volts and 16 amperes. So you will need the appropriate socket in your home to use this. So that's it for the unboxing of the Hamilton Beach Professional Juicer Mixer Grinder. The model number in particular was 58770-IN. If you'd like us to do similar unboxing videos of kitchen appliances, please do like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.